What was the significance of being in Vilnius for you?
The significance of that particular program was tremendous. That program was, in some ways, the most rewarding in terms of the Yiddish language study and practice, mostly because I made friends with a lot of people who didn't really speak English, and Yiddish was really kind of the language, and nobody spoke Lithuanian, right? So Yiddish really became kind of the language of currency there in a way that during my time in Tel Aviv, it really hadn't. Though, I mean, I was also there the first year in Tel Aviv, and since then the program has greatly expanded, and I've heard it's really, expanded very nicely, and people use a lot more Yiddish. When I was there, people were using a lot of Hebrew and English to communicate outside of class. But it was really magical being in Vilna and living for a month in a world where people pretty much spoke only Yiddish, at least among my classmates, and that was really unusual and exciting and lovely.